Welcome back to my channel, guys, and thanks for stopping by. I'm just going to be doing a quick unboxing and a shirt review on the Sakura electric wine opener. So I got this Sakura electric wine opener from Amazon. It was actually a gift. And so I'm just going to go ahead and take the parts out of the box and go ahead and put this together and show you guys what this looks like. So here are all the parts that came in the box, which is just like a base. And this here is like a bottle cut, like the foil cutter for the wine bottle. So that just sits here right onto the side. You get that clipped into place. And then you sit the wine opener right on top. And then you just plug the charger in. So I was like struggling for a second here. But yeah, you just sit that right on top, line it up, and plug it in, and voila. That's it. I'm going to leave the link to this where you can find it on Amazon down in the description below, and I'll show you what it looks like just to open a bottle of wine up. It was really convenient. I'll say definitely 10 out of 10 stars. So I just went ahead and used that extra accessory there, clipped it to the top of the bottle. I'm holding it tight, and you turn the bottle, and boom, just that easily, you'll see there that the top of the wine comes off. And then I used the wine opener, clicking the button there, and you'll see it easily puts the cork right down in there, takes it out, and then you click the button back in the other direction, and you'll see that the cork will automatically go ahead and fall off of your wine opener.
Love that.
I 10 out of 10 recommend this, guys. I truly enjoy it. And mine lives right over here on my bar cart in my little placement. I think it's cute. But anyhow, if you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that like button. Leave your comments or questions down below. As always, thanks for stopping by.